Hey, what's up, tubers? This is the SHTF Hunter down here on my range today. Going to do a review and a test of these. These are made by ProMag. They're meant to be mini Ruger Mini 30 magazines by ProMag, and they're 10 round. First thing you'll notice, it's got more of a stick profile. Wait a minute, it has a little bit more of a stick profile than the Ruger factory. The Ruger factory mag. If you didn't know my problem before, but when the 5 round magazine comes with this, works fine. But when you get down to like about the 3rd round, now I don't know if shooting causes it, but it's like the last 2 rounds will nosedive in the magazine. You gotta pick them out. And somebody told me these Pro Mags work, and we're gonna give them a try today. I'm gonna try to do that British technique where you work it with this finger and pull it with your middle finger. When I'm shooting at a distance of 30-35 yards, we'll see if I can do some fast shooting. Now this, it holds 10 rounds, but that first round, when you pop it up in there, that first round's hard to come back. So I put 9 rounds in it. You know, if I can fire 9 rounds without the last 2 rounds doing the nosedive, I'll count it as a win. All right, so let's give this a try. Like I said, I'm gonna try the British technique where you work it with these 2 fingers and you pull it with the middle finger. This will be new for me. Well, fired all of them without anything nose diving. Got one more 5 round mag. Fired all of them. So I reckon the internet expert was right this time. These Pro Mags work flawless. This is the SHTF Hunter. I'm out.